Move over kale and quinoa. Moringa powder is the new superfood trend that will change your health game forever. All right, let's kick things off by talking about the importance of superfoods in our diet. Superfoods are nutrient powerhouses that can have a huge impact on our health. And one superfood that stands out from the rest is Moringa powder. This green powder is packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can do wonders for your well-being. Now let's delve into what exactly Moringa powder is and why it's considered a superfood. Moringa powder is derived from the leaves of the moringa tree, also known as the miracle tree. It is rich in nutrients like vitamin C, vitamin A, calcium, and iron, making it a potent addition to any diet. Before we get into how to incorporate Moringa powder into your daily routine, let's quickly go over the basic requirements. All you need is a jar of high-quality Moringa powder and some creativity to add it to your favorite foods and beverages. So, how can you start reaping the benefits of Moringa powder? Let me guide you through a simple step-by-step process. You can sprinkle Moringa powder on top of your morning smoothie, mix it into your yogurt, or even toss it into a salad dressing for an extra nutritional boost. Now let's bring the magic of Moringa powder to life with a visual demonstration. Imagine yourself blending up a vibrant green smoothie packed with Moringa powder, or tossing a handful of it into a colorful salad. The possibilities are endless, and the health benefits are undeniable. As you embark on your Moringa powder journey, here are some tips and best practices to keep in mind. Consider consuming Moringa powder in the morning for a natural energy boost or storing it in an airtight container away from sunlight to preserve its freshness. Of course, like with any new addition to your diet, there may be some concerns or issues to address. If you're worried about the taste of Moringa powder, try mixing it with stronger flavors like citrus fruits. And if you have allergies, consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating it into your diet. In conclusion, the benefits of Moringa powder consumption are vast. From boosting immunity to improving skin health, this superfood can truly make a difference in your overall well-being. So why not give it a try and experience the amazing benefits for yourself? And finally, I encourage you to take the leap and start incorporating Moringa powder into your daily routine. Share your experiences with us and don't forget to subscribe for more health-related content. Here's to your health and vitality.